Hi, let's simplify this Sodic expression or equation. Okay, first we need to simplify root 125. We can express root 125 as square root of 25 multiplied by 5, right? Plus square root of 25 divided by the same thing here, square root of 25 multiplied by 5 plus square root of 25. Now in SOD, when you have square root of A times B, okay, this is equivalent to square root of A multiplied by square root of B. Therefore, we can express this as square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 5 plus square root of 25 divided by square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 5 minus, sorry, this one is minus, right? Minus square root of 25. Okay, now we are going to factorize square root of 25 from here. Okay, so we have we have square root of 25 here and here, so let's factorize. So we have square root of 25 brackets. When this is divided by this, we have root 5 remaining, root 5, plus when this is divided by this, we have 1, okay, divided by the same thing will happen here. We have root 25 bracket. When this is divided by this, we have root 5 minus when this is divided by this, we have 1. Okay, now this can cancel this and we are left with what? Square root of 5 plus 1 divided by square root of 5 minus 1. Okay, now we have this a SOD as the denominator, so we need to rationalize this denominator, and to rationalize the denominator we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of this denominator. Now the conjugate of this denominator is root 5 plus 1, so we can now write this as square root of 5 plus 1 multiplied by root 5 plus 1, okay, divided by square root of 5 minus 1 multiplied by square root of 5 plus 1. Okay, now it's time for us to expand those brackets, okay? So this is equal to square root of 5 multiplied by this, right? So we have root 5 plus 1 here, then plus 1 multiplied by this as well, root 5 plus 1, okay, everything divided by. Now recall that when you have a squared minus b squared, that this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b, okay, a plus b multiplied by a minus b. All right, now that means that we can express this denominator as what? Square root of 5, because in this case our a is root 5, so it's going to be square root of 5 squared minus our b, which is 1 squared, okay? So this is equal to, now root 5 times root 5 will give us 5, right? Plus root 5 times 1 will give us root 5. All right, then plus when 1 multiplies anything, you get that thing back, so we have root 5 plus 1 here, everything divided by, now when this is squared you have 5, and minus when this is squared you have 1. I'm going to solve this using two different methods, okay? So you choose the one that you prefer or you like. Now this is equal to, we are going to add collect like terms, so we are going to bring constants together, that is 5 plus 1, and we are going to bring surds together, root 5 plus root 5 divided by 5 minus 1 is 4, okay? Now this is equal to 5 plus 1 will give us 6, so we have 6 plus root 5 plus root 5 will give us 2 root 5, okay, divided by 4. Now we can factorize, because when you look at this you notice that you can factorize 2 out from here, so we have 2 brackets, 6 divided by 2 will give us 3, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, so we have root 5 remaining here, divided by 4. Okay, all right. Now this is equal to 2. We divide this to give us 2. Therefore, you notice that we have 3 plus root 5 divided by 2. So this is the simpler form of what we are given. Now let us solve it using another method. Okay, now for another method, permit me to write the equation. Okay, now the question says square root of 125 plus square root of 25, okay, divided by square root of 125 minus square root of 25. Okay, so at this juncture, for this one, we are going to rationalize the denominator straight. Yes, what do I mean? The conjugate of this denominator is root 125 plus root 25. So we are going to use it to multiply both our numerator and our denominator at the same time. So this is equal to root 125 plus root 25, okay, multiplied by root 125 plus root 25. Now divided by, we have root 125 minus root 25 multiplied by root 125 plus root 25. Okay, now we are going to use algebra identity for this. Yes, because when you look at this and this, notice that you have what? The same thing there. So we can rewrite the numerator as root 125 plus root 25 squared, okay, divided by, now here we have difference of 2 squared, just like with in the other example, right? So we are going to write a squared minus b squared. So it's going to be root 125 squared minus root 25 squared. Okay, so this is equal to, now in algebra, when you have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. All right, now in this case, our a is what? Root 125, and our b is root 25. Okay, so we are going to express this numerator in this form. Therefore, we have root 125 squared, that is a squared, plus 2 multiplied by a, which is root 125, plus b, sorry, multiplied by b as well, multiplied by b, and our b is root 25. Now plus b squared, that is root 25 squared. All right, now this should be divided by, now when this is squared, you have 125 remaining, minus when this is squared, you have only 25 remaining. Now let's continue. This is equal to, so this squared, we have 125 plus, so we have 2 multiplied by, now root 125 is same thing as root what? 50, sorry, root 25 multiplied by root 5, okay, then multiplied by root 25 is already 5, plus, now this we cancel this, so we have only 25 remaining, divided by 125 minus 25 will give us 100. Now this is equal to, we are going to solve this. So this is 125, okay, 125 plus 2 multiplied by, now root 25 is 5, root 5, okay, this root 5 multiplied by 5 as well, plus 25, okay, everything divided by 100. So this is equal to 125, let's collect like terms, 125 plus 25, right? Yeah, plus, now we have 2 times 5, which is 10, and 10 times 5 will give us 50. So what we have here is 50 root 5 divided by 100, okay? All right, now this is equal to 125 plus 25 will give us 130, right? Plus 50 root 5 divided by 100. All right. Now, sorry, 125 plus 25 is 150 and not 130. Okay. So 150 plus 50 root 5 divided by 100. Now, what do they have in common? They have 50. Okay, that is for numerator. So let's factorize that out. Now, 150 divided by 50 will give us 3 plus 50 root 5 divided by 50. Root 5 will remain. Everything divided by 100. So this is equal to, when 50 divides 100, we are left with 2, right? So what we have left is 3 plus root 5, okay, divided by 2, which is exactly what we got when we used the first method. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing video if this is the first time you are tuning in. And please give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. Bye.